Hello, sweet friend, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Mariana, and welcome to another episode of the Kitchen Saga. Very quickly, last week, I added that portion of the cabinets, and I shared them with you. It might have been last week or before that. And we received another 3 sets, and I have to purchase one more. However, the next one is going to have to be a little bit smaller than the other ones. Although I like that design, I am going to switch the cabinets that have 3 drawers to the corners and put the ones that have the door in the middle. I was loving this design until living with it and noticing that I need the drawers. Like, it's very inconvenient to open this door. It's easier if the drawers go there. And then here's why. In here, well, this one came defective. So you see what happens? My kids close it. They're not supposed to close it. So let me open this one. So here we have the coffee. Okay. And there we go. Okay. Here's we have the utensils. And then here we have towels and gloves, etc. Kitchen towels. Now, I'm going to push this back because I just push it forward. I think it's going to be best if I move it there, which is what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to live with it another week. I'm not installing them yet. I want to live with what I have. I actually, here, just a little tour. This is what we have so far. The 2 toasters that I use daily, one by my son, one by my daughter. That little crack pot we use often. Those pots often. The rice cooker every day. And then here, we don't know yet what's going to come here. That's the sandwich hamburger maker. And this one's here, I just put plates. And haven't put anything in this ones yet, or this one, but here I just put that rack that I got from IKEA a very long time ago. I'm trying to feel if this is gonna work. However, those trays I want up there, because what we're gonna do is we are going to, we meaning me and often Matthew, I'm gonna cut this because I need this to be the vacuum cleaning section, and maybe on top I will put the pans that I use daily. Now, the goal for today is not to build anything new, but to move this china cabinet over to the little nook that I have on the other side of the house. The problem is that this is very heavy and it doesn't go through that door. So I'm gonna have to empty that out. It comes in 2 pieces, move it. I don't want to get rid of it. First of all, because, I did purchase it in Facebook Marketplace a very long time ago. But it is a lovely, amazing antique piece. And I do not want to get rid of that. Now, yes, you see junk in there because the middle section, my children use it to store everything breakfast. But we're going to move it. And we're just going to have there things that we use. Well, it's gonna have to stay like that, honestly, for a while. My daughter uses the granola every day, oats mostly every day, but it has to go because I need to order the other cabinet, and by the time we meet again, I'm not sure if I'm gonna have that ready, but that's gonna be the goal. And I do have to eventually move outlets, maybe one there and maybe one over there. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm not gonna bore you emptying this out, but basically all that has to come out so Matthew and I can move that to the other room. A look of everything that I have taken out of this part of this china cabinet. That one I can't take it until we slide the china cabinet a little bit over to this side. Here's where we're gonna put it. I'm already started moving things around. That goes outside, it only stays here in the winter. This piece is gonna go to the basement. This piece can get through the doors downstairs. And here's where I wanna put the china cabinet for now. That piece is probably also gonna go to the basement. And that is a gardenia that goes outside. And well, that's cocoa, but that's what we're going to do. We're going to bring that here. Hello, you. Hello. Hi. And there goes Azul. All right, let's get to work. Okay, pause. I'm gonna empty this stuff out and come back to it. Things are never as fast as you expect them to be. It's gonna be easier if I take all those cans that I have over there because I'm a prepper, so I have a whole bunch of cans. Right, take two. I didn't take everything out, but most of it's out. So let's see. Much better. Now we don't worry about the floors because all these floors have to be redone. Okay. So here we go. I paid $50 for this piece in the market, Facebook Marketplace. Oh, I knew I had something up there. That didn't hurt, by the way. It's just yarn. It's a basket with yarn. All right, we're making progress. Okay, so this is water with Fabuloso. Don't mind the bottle. This is an old bottle. I'm gonna take advantage that I am here just to give this a quick clean before we bring the other china cabinet over here. Because guess what? It's dirty. So let's clean this while we are here. I made this wall. I will link the video for you. It's very simple, actually. It should be cleaned more thoroughly, but I have cans here and stuff here. I have stuff over there. The house is a mess. So I'm not gonna look for perfection right now. I'm just know that this piece is probably gonna get covered. So might as well clean it. Yep, pretty dirty. These walls are probably all gonna get painted, sand, not sure. We may not even like it, how it turns out, but we'll try. All right, I'm gonna go rinse this and do this at least 3 more times, but you're only gonna see it once. Now that I finished cleaning the wall on the other room, we are going to take this china cabinet over to the other side, but honestly, it's so heavy. I don't know how we're gonna do it, Matthew and I alone, so I'm just gonna transport it with you over to the other side. You ready? So it wasn't as hard. We actually used 2 chairs to move the top, and the bottom was light. It's just like, you know, the unit itself was heavy. So I am going to thoroughly clean it because if you could see, it is dirty. But first I'm gonna make myself a cup of coffee and maybe tie my hair because I'm hot. Look how dirty it is. Yeah, real life, people, real life. But let's do it together. All right, this is so dirty that I'm just gonna use this for now, just to get some of that, just to bring it back alive. And it's the only thing that I have. So I'm just gonna, okay, excuse me, Cocoa. All right, let's go. Come on, out, out. It's such a gorgeous piece. Okay, I think that should be enough. So let's see. The bottom is the most dirty one. So I'm just gonna try to bring it back alive like this. All right, sweet friends, I cleaned the entire china cabinet, but I cannot do a very deep cleaning as soon we are about to take down that wall from the kitchen side reno. So it will make no sense for us to deep clean when we know that the house is going to be oh so messy really, really soon. And although I cannot do a very deep cleaning around the house, sort of like a spring cleaning, I am going around as I'm moving things and trying to declutter as much as I can. Okay, not bad. All right. Friends, we are arriving to the end, and if you're still here from the bottom of my heart, I want to thank you. I hope you come back next Sunday so you could see a little bit more of our kitchen reno transformation. Again, it is going to take a while because I only buy things as I have the money for, and I don't rush things. I don't go into debt. So I am going to tell you that we have already made progress. Thanks so much for being here. This is a final look of how this look, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's free and it helps grow this community.